Welcome to mantechhd. In today's video we are showing you the all-new Hyundai Ioniq 5 infotainment and connectivity interior as well as cockpit experience with a short driving experience along with some interior features and specifications. Hyundai says the Ioniq sub-brand emphasizes connected living, and the Ioniq 5 has a host of innovative infotainment and connectivity features. A 12.0-inch touchscreen shares a panel on the dash with a 12.0-inch digital gauge cluster, but the former acts as a hub for all things entertainment. This includes smartphone-integrated apps such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as advanced voice recognition technology. If we talk about the interior, comfort, and cargo space. While not as artsy as the cabin teased by the Hyundai 45 concept, the Ioniq 5's interior boasts a tech-savvy space with a digitized dashboard and a heavy dose of eco-friendly materials. A head-up display with augmented reality that can project navigation directions on the windshield is just one fanciful feature. The compact crossover also takes advantage of its all-electric packaging, with a completely flat floor for maximum passenger and cargo space. The front seats also recline and incorporate footrests, which will let folks relax while the Ioniq is charging. With a wheelbase that's longer than the 3-row Hyundai Palisade, the 5 has ample front and rear seat passenger room. Its large center console has lots of storage space, and on top spec limited trims, it slides back and forth between the front seats. If we check the range, charging, and battery life of Ioniq 5, we came to know that with its 800 volts of operating voltage, the Ioniq 5 has the same type of advanced electrical architecture as the Audi e-tron GT and Porsche Taycan. However, as it stands, its battery has a smaller usable battery capacity. The Ioniq's pack supplies 77.4 kWh and can be charged from 10 to 80% in around 18 minutes or at 68 miles in about 5 minutes when plugged into a DC fast charger. Hyundai is targeting a 300-mile range for the rear-drive model and 269 miles with all-wheel drive. We estimate the final versions will offer between 258 and 290 miles of range. The Universal Island, an innovative movable center console that can slide back as much as 140 millimeters. The sliding console allows passengers to not only enjoy more flexibility, but also freely enter and exit the cabin on either side when parked in a narrow spot. Second-row passengers also can enjoy center console features, such as cup holders, a 15W fast wireless smartphone charger and USB ports. Universal Island truly redefines the center console, offering greater functionality than a static storage box. The Vision roof of Ioniq 5 provides the interior with a greater sense of openness as Ioniq 5's ceiling consists of one large glass panel without any support materials. If you're charging from home, the Ioniq 5 can accept a level 2 charger pushing out 10.9 kilowatts and get to a full battery in just under 7 hours. Remember, charging isn't linear, so that last 20% takes a lot longer than the first 80% or so, but most customers are likely plugging in overnight anyway. Even at its quickest pace, 18 minutes is still 18 minutes, so Hyundai made the Ioniq 5's interior a seriously nice place to be. Made with sustainable materials including paint made from bean oil, the interior has a sleek and modern aesthetic. I love the magnetic dashboard and the center console, which can slide 5.5 inches along the flat floor. A center 12-inch screen takes care of infotainment duties, with in-car payments for parking, charging and even Domino's Pizza, while a second screen functions as a reconfigurable gauge cluster. Thanks to its super long wheelbase, the Ioniq 5 has more space inside than both the Mustang Mach-E and ID.4, though it also has the smallest cargo area. If you need to be productive while waiting to charge, the Ioniq 5 can supply 1.9 kilowatts of power both inside and outside of the vehicle. You can easily keep your laptop charged, or as the lady in the photo below demonstrates, use your electric flat iron. The Ioniq 5 can even power tailgating toys like TVs and blenders. In addition, the front seats can be heated. There are 4 drive modes, as can the steering wheel, comfort, and offer the possibility of leaning back for a nap during the rugged parameters, as well as the torque split in all-wheel drive models. Enjoy a 15 watts wireless fast charger for driver's aids and several USB ports, including forward collision avoidance. The trunk of the Hyundai when turning left is large, of oncoming traffic, 531 liters. Highway driving assist 2 now has lane change assist and can adjust the car's lane position if a vehicle in the adjacent lane tries to cozy up. The adaptive cruise control is also improved with smart learning drive as you normally would, and the tech will tailor the system to your preferences for acceleration and vehicle spacing. Finally, a new advanced head-up display uses augmented reality to overlay navigation directions and lane safety information. There's also a front vehicle indicator for Ioniqs equipped with HDA2. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 equips Hyundai Smart Sense, a set of systems that integrates some such as the assistance to driving on the road, highway driving assist 2, the frontal collision assistant, the assistant to avoid collisions in the blind spot, the assistant of speed limits intelligent, the warning of attention to the driver, or the assistant of highlights, among others. The 2022 Ioniq 5 will be available in SE, Cell, and limited trims, and pricing will be announced closer to the EV's on-sale date this fall. Knowing Hyundai, it'll probably undercut its key competitors a bit, so expect a price around $40,000. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.